state officials tell me not only did everyone with a cell phone get that alert today, but also anyone listening to the radio or watching TV at the time. An emergency alert is normally used for missing or endangered people or severe weather. Now it's serving as a tool in the fight against COVID-19. Today's message went out at 12:30 and 5:30 p.m. They included the governor's stay-at-home order, which applies to everyone other than for essential business or outings. The message also included how to find out what qualifies as essential, with links to the state government page and the Department of Health. Here's what this Albuquerque resident thought of today's update.
Well, I thought it was impressive. I also was a little disappointed that it only had sort of a sense of alarm and alert, but it didn't have any kind of major next steps in terms of advice giving.
So will there be more? A spokesperson for the State Environment Department says they plan to use the emergency alerts to pass along the most important information to as many people as possible and as quickly as they can do it. Officials say they will go out as frequently as needed. But some hope future alerts have information that's easier to access.
If you have questions, call this number, particularly the people that are so concerned about where to get testing or how to get testing.
And we're going to continue giving out those 800 numbers that you need to call. The first one, 855-600-3453. That's if you're having symptoms. And then the second one, 833-551-0518, and that is for all your COVID-19 questions and concerns. Reporting in Albuquerque, Brandon Evans, KOAT Action 7 News.